You should have been here, you should have been here. You should have been right beside me. Guess I gotta live it all by myself. Cause I really, really did it all by myself. Hey, I remember you said that I wouldn't make it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today we're talking about these Jumbo Queen Crochet Faux Locs by Freelocs. I'm basically showing you the colors that I'm going to be using. I was so excited to try these locks out. As you can see, it comes with 6 packs. This is the first pack here. I'm just showing you what the majority of my head is going to consist of. This color 4, and in each bundle there are 10 locks total. These locks can be reused. I repeat, these locks can be reused. So of course with the 6 packs you can pick whatever colors, like if you want to mix out your colors. I chose the color 30 as one of my 6 packs, and then I chose the color 27 as one of my 6 packs. So I have 4 packs of the color number 4 and a pack of 27 and a pack of 30. And the crochet needle comes with it, and the dreadlock jewelry comes with it. Yay. So I'm just basically going to show you guys how I install this hair. So basically what you do is get a section of your hair, split that section into 2, open the pre-loop lock and put it around one section, and then you're going to braid your hair with 3 strands of your hair. Not the lock, your hair only. This is going to anchor that faux lock to your head. So we're just braiding here, speed it up for you guys. And then once we're done braiding, it's gonna look a little something like this. Okay, and you're gonna put that against the lock, or you can just wrap your hair around the faux lock to secure it. This is not the last step, so bear with me. That's basically what I did on the other half of my head. That's why the locks look crazy on the left side. I just wrapped them around like so. And then you're going to take a lock and undo it like that. You're going to use this as the wrapping hair. So I am hiding my hair with some loose lock hair. And then once you're done doing that, I didn't use any glue, no fire, anything like that. I basically just palm rolled it, and it looks a little like this. I like for my locks to look a little nappy, so this is what I did. Took a denim brush, kind of back brushed it or back combed it, and it gave it that nappy look. I also pulled the ends of my locks out so they won't look uniform. You say that this style looks like it's months old. That's what I wanted it to look like before y'all say anything. As you can see, I applied my free dreadlock jewelry that came with it. This is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. They're not heavy. I've worn a style like this before, but they were not individual crochet locks. They were full out faux locks, and you know that was heavy. So with the crochet locks, pretty simple, pretty light. As you see, I got a color 30. I chose as my highlight. Added that in there, like maybe 3 of those. And yeah, you guys, I can't wait to do a styling video to show you the many styles you could do with these locks. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You hear the noise, yeah.